One of President Trump's most controversial policies is in the spotlight once again. The Department of Homeland Security releasing a report citing many violations with the zero-tolerance policy in the Rio Grande Valley and in El Paso. Alfredo Cuadros explains.
The Department of Homeland Security releasing a report about special review involving CBP and ICE facilities in both McAllen and El Paso. The RGV sector, one with the most family apprehensions and unaccompanied children in May of 2018. It was launched into the national spotlight during the separation of families at the border. Now, what's worrying to some? The way the report starts, saying DHS was not fully prepared to implement the administration's zero-tolerance policy.
It's very reckless that the head of the Department of Homeland Security, Secretary Nielsen, signed the memo, signed the documents implementing the policy, knowing that it would result in family separations and knowing that there weren't any plans for reunifying these families.
The report states the government encouraged asylum seekers to come to the border crossings, but CBP managed the flow of people through metering or standing at the international bridge, which may have led to additional illegal border crossings. Our cameras saw some of those refugees in Mexico who were told to turn back and wait at a shelter.
Sí, nosotros fuimos el primer día allá y después nos trasladaron para acá.
However, guidance states officers may not discourage individuals from waiting to be processed. As far as the zero family separation, the report says CBP can hold children for up to 72 hours before human health services. The RGV sector exceeded the 72-hour period for at least 564 children.
There's still a lot of that lingering trauma, and this is trauma that these kids are going to be carrying for the rest of their lives in many cases.
From the Rio Grande Valley, Alfredo Cuadros, KVEO, News Center 23.
The pro-immigrant group says they're still seeing the effects of the zero-tolerance policy. They tell us they'll be reuniting a young girl with her family this afternoon.